Hello viewers, welcome to the Hi-FaL parenting channel. In this video, I'll show you how to clean baby's ear safely, which tools can be used and which tools are not for use in babies. However, before I start, make sure you have pressed the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to receive the updates. Let's get started. It is easy to clean baby's ear but need care so that baby's ear does not get hurt. The key to safe cleaning is this earbud, which is specifically made for babies. As you can see, it has small knob at the front, whereas it is bigger at the back or behind this small knob. It prevents earbud to go deep into the ear. First, make sure that the baby is relaxed and well fed. Remember, it is easy to clean baby ear after baby has taken bath, as bathing softens all the dust and wax inside or outside the ear. You can also make baby busy by offering a toy so that he gets distracted. Lie down the baby on pillow or in your lap on his left or right side. Baby is not in the mood to turn on sides, so we can still clean the ear if baby lies down on his back. First, grasp the ear with one hand and insert the earbud inside the ear or ear hole and move it in circles. Doing this will clean the wax that is inside the ear duct or on its wall. Now, outer ear. Turn around the earbud. Clean all the curves and projections of the outer ear to remove any possible dust, wax and dead skin that piles up on the ear. You can easily clean complete ear with one bud only. Do not use the same earbud that you used for the first ear to clean the second ear. Now, second ear, the same way, take another earbud. Baby still wants to lie down straight on his back. Grasp the ear. First, inner ear. Move in circles. Clean the walls and the cavity so that all the wax and dust is removed from the ear. Then, outer ear. All the curves and projections have to be cleaned. Never use oil or hairpins or any sharp object to clean baby ear. Also clean outer ear from front and at the back with a towel when the baby takes bath, because at that time the skin is really soft. I hope this video was helpful and you like it. Press the like button and share it with your friends and family. This is the appreciation that we get from you for our work.